Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I will attempt to do a full set using Polygel, and I'm using dual forms. Dual forms I have a love-hate relationship with because I tried these a while ago and it did not work out. So I'm super excited to see how it will turn out with a little bit of experience under my belt. I will not be keeping these nails on for long, so I did not prep, but if you want to keep these nails on, of course you will do your nail prep. There's plenty of videos out there to teach you how to. For my polygel solution today, I'll be using 91% alcohol. We're going to jump right in. I'm going to take a small bead into the dual form, and I'm trying to keep it thick in the middle and thinner around the cuticle. I am doing a short square set, so I will cut these down to length. When I place the dual form, I try not to put it so close to the cuticle because I do go in with a second bead, but this finger was a bad example because I did exactly the opposite. Once the form is on, I then cure for 60 seconds and wiggle off the dual form. Once the dual form is off, I do go ahead and shape and file. This is just to make sure I like what's going on, and then I proceed with my second bead, which is the cuticle bead. Once the cuticle is nice and sealed, I cure for 30 seconds, shape and file, and then move on to the next one. I will show you this process twice, and while I'm doing it, I want to check in with you guys. Are you liking the polygel videos? Do you like the press-on videos? I would love to know what content you prefer because I am all over the place. I love gel, I love polygel, I love press-ons. So just let me know in the comments down below what more you would like to see from me, because right now I'm just winging it. So let me know. I would love and appreciate your feedback. I noticed that I had a lot of excess polygel, so I like to go in with my nippers to clean it up if I'm unable to get it with the file. If you notice any spillage when you apply the dual form, do not worry. Go ahead and wipe it up with alcohol, but be sure that the brush is not dripping wet. Here are the nails after they've been shaped and filed. I absolutely loved how they turned out. I will apply base coat and continue with nail art. Once I applied that base coat, it took everything in me not to just stop right here, but go ahead and screenshot because this color is everything. Here are the colors I used for the marble. I only used the MadamGlam's baby pink and this liner gel right here. Since I am doing a marbling effect today, I like to use a brush with a point at the end. It doesn't matter which one, but it is personal preference. I accidentally edited out how to pick up the polish on the brush, but what I did was pick up a little scoop of the baby pink, and on the same brush pick up a little scoop of the dark pink and just let it flow off the brush and use that tip that I was referring to earlier to marble it. Here's a different view of how I did the marbling. I cured everything for 30 seconds and now I'll apply the foil. This is really cute. I was super shocked of how it turned out because I didn't know what else I wanted to do because I was also stuck between leaving it as is with the nude, leaving it as is with the marble, and I just pushed the limits and added the foil. I am applying the foil using regular top coat. If you're interested in doing this design, a helpful tip is to make sure your foil is broken up into smaller pieces before you begin. It will make your process a lot easier. Once I have the foil to my liking, I will cure for 30 seconds and repeat. This is the perfect example of why I say make sure your pieces are small before you start, because it looks completely different from the pointer nail. Last but not least, I'm going to tie in the nail set using a top coat and cure for 30 seconds. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know down in the comments if you tried polygel, dual forms, if you like this nail set, what you would like to see different from me. I would love to know. Let's turn the comment section into one big group chat.